Hi there, do you poop? Then you need the Stool. Call now and make 4 easy payments of just under $100, and you can get yourself your very own Stool to help you pass those hard bowel movements. The Stool comes complete with a kit of ecstasy, ease, self-reliance, self-independence, and even a small dosage of humble. The Stool can be yours for as little as 4 easy payments of just under $100. Call now and act fast because supplies are limited. Call now at 1-800-55-STOOL. That's 1-800-557-8665.
So the main portion of the stool is going to be made out of 2x6. I've had this piece laying around. On one of these, you see the purple? That means it was marked as cull lumber. So they sell it very cheap at the big box stores. You pay like $2 and you get an 8-foot length. It's amazing. So that's what the base is going to be. I have it cut up into two 7-inch lengths and two 2-foot lengths. When all is said and done, it'll basically be in a configuration like this. But to make sure everything seats properly and correctly and sturdy, I'm going to start by lining up the risers up on the edges, marking it with a pencil. I'm going to do that on both ends. Now I'm going to take it over to my table saw. I'm going to carve down maybe about that much.
Are you ready?
So the next step of the build is to fasten it all together. I'm going to line everything up, get it all nice and tight. Then I'm going to use these 6x2-inch screws. Sink them nice right down in there. And then since I'm going to paint it, I'm just going to wood putty over the screw hole and flatten her out, sand her down when she's all dry. So let's get to it. My joinery wasn't perfect. Shh. It'll be our little secret. these 2 holes. So to do that, I have a 1/4-inch dowel kit. I'm just going to take one of the dowels, set it in there, because I used a 1/4-inch drill bit for this, so that's how I decided the size. Alright, I'm going to let that dry. Then I'll putty over everything, give it another sand, and we should be well on our way. Hey guys, how we doing? As you can see in the background, my paint's drying. So I just figured I'd take this chance to give a shout out to my good friend, Pyrotech1999. He challenged me to this build, and he's actually doing his own video on a very similar concept. You should definitely check it out. I'll put an overlay somewhere up here and a link down below. You should definitely go check him out. He has a really cool channel. He's a very smart kid. Tons of sweet videos. He does a lot of knife making. He made a ring. The end of it was a bullet. I really like that. It was a really cool concept. He's made slingshots. He even made a BB gun out of a marshmallow shooter. It was really interesting concept. Like I said, he made his own interpretation of this style of Squatty Potty. It's a trademark, hence why I call it the Stool. You'll definitely get to see his. Definitely check it out. And yeah, I think my paint's dry. So let's get back to my video. Alright. So, now we're here in my tiny apartment bathroom. Basically the theory behind this little stool here is to help you with your movements. And the name brand Squatty Potty has done a lot of research into this, and they have determined that the normal 90-degree sitting position that most toilets put you in is not optimal for the way humans are designed to relieve themselves. So, the point of this stool I made is to kind of have it off to the side, maybe up against the wall. And if you're ever having issues and you just feel like, I don't know, the morning coffee's not really helping you or anything, basically, you just kind of reach over, you can grab it, put your feet right on top, and this will decrease the angle, so now it's no longer 90 degrees, it's more around 30 degrees, which is more optimum for humans. And when you're done, you just kind of move back off to the side, it's out of the way, low profile, just put it up against the wall, doesn't clash with the room, and, you know, go about your business, go about your day. Alright, so let me grab this. Alright, so again, I want to give a big shout out to Pyrotech1999. Again, I'll probably put his name right in this beautiful spot. You know what? Yeah, I'll underline it. The towel bar is going to be the underline. And I got some space. I'll link another one of his videos here and here. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. See you then.